they are closed. Yes, I'm sitting in the office waiting for it to go in. Yeah, my daughter here. What a day, what a day, what a day. But I will be back and give you a tour of my empty house. Bye. It's over. I got the keys to my house. Oh, it's so wonderful. Are you excited? Wonderful. I'm so happy it's over with. Over. Yeah. All right. We're here at our home.
And this is my video, but my mom's here and today.
Here we go. I finally got here, y'all. In the front door. Let's go in.
Yeah, let's go in.
As you come in the door,
Yeah.
the stairs are meeting you. Let's go here first, Kay. On to my right will be the dinette area.
And we said everything about Uncle the Troll.
Okay, and over here in this little area,
Yeah, and this
room will be the piano.
Yeah, yeah.
We don't know when our furniture's coming.
Yeah, come
That's the sad part about it.
on.
We hope that it'll be here tomorrow.
Come on, Mom.
And now we're going up the stairs. Oh, wait a minute, Kat. Well, we'll just go on the stairs.
And can you say my name? Huh? Yeah.
You know what? This is my second time doing this because I thought I was recording the first time, but I did not hit play. Here's the little, what you call it, little bonus room. I'll put a computer desk. And the first room, once you come upstairs, will be, what room would this be? What room is this?
Oh, hey, that's my room. And my name's Caitlin.
All right, this is
I play
Caitlin.
with my dolls and everything.
All right,
Thanks.
this would be her room.
Yeah, it's a little bit big.
Her walk-in closet.
It's gonna be my closet with all my clothes.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, you come down the hallway. First room will be her bathroom. These open? Supposed to be, it's all closed. Yeah, it's all closed, cabinets, all through the house. And her little bathroom. And she has the doors that goes in between the wall. Right there, that's just off. And you know what? I don't know what this. Oh, whatever. I'm trying to work this. Push this in. Okay, push in. And this is the closet.
Close it. I have to put some water in it.
Don't play with that water, okay? No.
But I
No, no, no. Do not play with no water. Alright, let me find some lights. Okay, find me some light. Cut the light on. Here goes linen, wash and dry area. Alright. Simple. Get that light switch on. I'm editing you out. And there's linen closet. I guess that's for us, because we don't have no linen closet in the bathroom. Here it will be the media room where my husband will hide from us when he won't watch his television and have it up all loud. And this is our walk-in closet. Turn that light off. And here goes the other room. This room, I don't know what this room gonna be. Another bedroom? I don't know. Another walk-in closet. You know what? You gonna get your first opening in this house. All right. Now, and here is going to be the grown-up room. This is the sitting area over here. Right here is a closet. Walk-in closet. And you already was in it, Kay. I'm doing as I finish up what I'm doing. And here is the other closet. Here's her closet. My husband said he's gonna take all these racks down and put up, what you call it? Whatever you call those. Closet, cabinets, whatever you call it. That's what he's gonna do. I forgot the name of it. Yeah, what you call them closet. And here is the grown-up bathroom. There's a koozie tub. There goes the shower. Look at that little bit shower here. You know, that's got to go. How you gonna have a pretty shower and you got a little winky little shower here? Alright. Now here is the water closet. It's all closed. No, you're not gonna put no water in the cup, okay? I told you not to put no water in there. We're going down the stairs. I think this time goes straight. Right here is the pantry. I am so tired. Walk in. Go walk in the pantry. A decent sized pantry. Alright, come around. Oh, look at the junk. Come around. Here goes the family room. Let me show you something that's really ugly. Bam! We asked them, why did they put that there? They said, searching for how the air flows and da 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 da. I think that is so ugly, but it's there. So I know I have to make sure that it's pretty clean and no dust, because when everybody come here, this is what they're gonna look at. You know, down that hallway, when you go down that hallway, it goes back around to the front door. Let me teach you. All right, that will be down there, or the kitchen table right there. couple of things. Change out. Change out. Done. This is done. Did I show y'all the? I don't know. Did I go to the? Alright, you come in here. This is like will be the mud room. This right here is the garage. 3-car garage. Alright. When you come in, you have the half bath. Hold up, Dwayne. Cancel.